No half centuries from Jamaican Brandon King and Shamar Brooks powered the West Indies to an 8-wicket win over New Zealand at Sabina Park to end their 2020 series on a high, despite losing it 2-1.
The Caribbean side made 4 changes to the team from Friday's game, with captain Nicholas Perrin given a rest along with Obed McCoy, Jason Holder and Kyle Mears. However, the team saw the return of Brandon King, who missed the opening 2 matches due to injury. It was the visitors who won the toss and decided to bat. Former Jamaica Tallawahs player Glenn Phillips led the way for New Zealand as he top scored with 41 from 26 balls. His innings consisted of 4 fours and 2 sixes, and he got support from captain Kane Williamson, who made 24, while Devon Conway contributed 21. This as New Zealand posted 145 for 7. Another Jamaican, Nadine Smith, was the pick of the Windies bowlers with 3 for 29, while Akil Hussain claimed 2 for 28. In their run chase, the Windies got off to a superb start as Brooks and King shared in a century opening stand. King was the first to reach 50 and eventually got out for 53 from 35 balls. Brooks batted through the innings and ended not out on 56 from 59 balls. Standing captain Rovman Powell, who hit a 6 to end the game, was unbeaten on 27 from 15 balls, with the Windies achieving victory at 150 for 2 with 6 deliveries to spare. Tim Southey and Ish Sodi both had a wicket each.
Yeah, obviously extremely happy to be able to do it, in front of my home crowd. Also my family was here, and in front of my teammates, I'm very happy. The way we want to play cricket, we approach the starter innings the same way, whether we're chasing 200 or 140, it doesn't matter. We just want to come out to the power play in a good position, and we're able to do that today with no wickets lost, and that gives us a good foundation to press on from there.
The teams will now turn their attention to the ODI leg of the series to be played in Barbados.